We have moves being made inside of Illinois as Governor Bruce Rauner has just signed new legislation that empowers police to confiscate firearms and to extend this waiting period for gun purchases to 72 hours. Now, this means, obviously, that if someone, say, for instance, feels threatened and they're waiting, well, now that wait to get cleared to get a weapon to protect themselves is now extended to 72 hours. Now, this law that he signed is called the Firearm Restraining Order Act. And by signing it, he made Illinois the 13th state to empower police to confiscate guns, and joining a growing list of Republican governors who have signed such laws into place following the events that went down on February 14th in Florida. And many are saying their issue with this is that the events that have gone down here recently, none of these bills would have prevented. What they mean by that is, for instance, gun confiscation laws require family members to attest to a danger posed by another family member. And in these instances, that wasn't there. There wasn't family members calling and saying anything. And in some of them, the family was defending them. You see? And in other instances, well, in many instances, the criminals out here, regardless, don't buy the guns. They go out and get them some other way. It's not even their weapon to begin with. So if they really wanted one and they knew where it was at and they were just going to steal it and take it, they could do it in a heartbeat and get away with it. And if a person was fearing and needed to defend themselves and do it legally, they would have to wait 72 hours and go through 72 hours of hiding before they would ever even have a chance at being able to get that weapon. So these are the points being brought up by other individuals in regards to this. And anytime we see laws like this going into motion, people need to pay attention. And what does it really achieve? You're looking at a state here of Illinois that has Chicago in it, for crying out loud, that has more shootings and more events go down than any other city, bar none. It's reported on left and right, almost on the daily. And if there's things going into motion, we'll see what the outcome is here in due time. But I wanted to let it be known, this is a step that he just took in Illinois. As I said, there's more information that'll be here at this link that you guys can read into, and I'll continue to update as I come across more stories like this. You got something you want me to report on, let me know, dabu7yahoo.com. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for the latest.